but they can run very fast.
You wouldn't think so because of the size, but they can run pretty fast, right? Isn't that what you said?
Legs.
Yeah. 20 kilometers per hour.
Okay.
Really?
Short step, but very fast.
Yeah.
What do they eat?
Grass.
Grass?
Only grass.
Only grass?
Yes.
So why do they kill the humans?
For their
Territory?
defense. They kill just for their defense. But they feel like you are interfering with them, maybe coming back
Yeah.
in the water, so they kill you, then run away inside the water.
Are those little baby ones in there too?
Yeah.
You can see the jaw. You used to kill a human being or the enemies. Very big jaw, long
Yeah.
teeth. Yeah. The big enemy also is the lion. Lion kill the hippo, but more than 4 lions. Especially the male, maybe when the lioness. Male.
Not very often do they do that. Is it?
They do. Male lion likes to kill hippo. I don't know why. They
Did you
don't
get
like
that?
I got it on film.
Because they like ambushing the
Oh.
lion.
Okay.
But sometimes people can kill a lion.
Yeah.
Hippos a lot of meat.
Right now they are sleeping. They are
There's a
home.
baby one there.
They are home now.
Oh, right there, yeah. Oh my.
Can see that? And this is one family.
This
They
is
live
one.
in families.
Oh, is it? One time.
You can
Oh,
see another family over there.